Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene. If you're new here, this is a space where we talk about money in a way that actually makes sense. Without pressure or confusion, let me ask you a honest question. If your credit stayed exactly the same this year, would anything in your life actually improve? Not your income, not your job, just your credit. Because for a lot of people, credit is the silent reason life feels harder than it should. And in 2026, credit matters more than most people realize, even more than money in some cases. Credit used to be something people only thought about when they wanted a loan, but that's no longer how the system works. In 2026, credit affects where you can live and even how easily you can access opportunities. Two people can earn the same income, live in the same city, have similar expenses. One gets approved easily for credit, the other struggles, pays more, or even gets rejected. The difference is rarely income, it's credit. And you know, most people don't struggle with credit because they are irresponsible. They struggle because nobody explained it clearly. You're told pay your bills, don't miss payments, don't carry debt, but no one explains how the system actually judges you. So people do things like close old cards thinking they are being responsible, use most of their limit because they can pay it back, miss a payment by a few days thinking it won't matter, avoid checking their credit because it feels stressful, and the system quietly penalizes them. Credit doesn't respond to effort, it responds to pattern. Let's talk about the mistake I see over and over again: using too much of your available credit. Even if you pay it back, high usage sends a signal of dependency. Treating payment dates casually, a payment that's a few days late still counts. Resetting credit history, closing old accounts shortens your financial story. Applying emotionally, applying for credit out of urgency instead of planning. Ignoring the credit reports. Avoiding it doesn't stop the damage, it actually delays the fix. These mistakes don't mean someone is bad with money. They mean no one showed them the rules. Let me simplify credit in a way most people don't hear. You do not need more credit cards, more debt, or even a higher income first. You need 3 different things. 1. Consistency. Payments on time every time, no exceptions. 2. Controlled usage. Credit should support you, not carry you. 3. Time. Credit improves slowly through stability. Credit is not built in emergencies, it's built in ordinary months. I've seen people earning good money and still feel financially trapped. Not because they earn too little, but because their credit makes everything harder. Bad credit turns normal life events into financial stress. Good credit doesn't actually make you rich, but it makes life calmer. If 2026 is the year you want more options, lower costs, fewer financial obstacles, then credit can't be an afterthought anymore. If this video made sense to you, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing practical money content like this every week this year. I'll see you in the next video.